Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to make title and abstract. This was the previous program. In the previous tutorial, just clear this and we will see how to make a title. Whether the first this was the syntax to make the title. You should define in the preamble title, author and the date in the title portion, and then you should begin with the document and then should use the command make title. So those details will be made title in immediately after starting the document, at the start of the document. That was the process for making the title. And next, abstract. Just after the beginning of the document, the next line to that, just begin abstract environment. Environment should be created similar to the document environment. We will begin and end the abstract environment. In between, the whatever we want to make an abstract, we will make that as abstract. So that's the process. Let's try to do. Here, let's title next line, author, date, and next, after starting with the document, make title. Let's run this. Yeah, you can see the title was created. Now let's try to start with the abstract. For that, create an environment for abstract. Let's say this is the abstract, something you can type. So just run this now. See, you got it. Let's see here. Since we chose B5 paper, the margin border was too big, so let's choose to switch to A4 paper. Just remove this. By default the paper will be A4, so just run now. Yeah, it was something better now. Yeah, it was good. Now we will see the same thing with the case of report. This is the article you have seen, a title and the abstract were in the same page. Now you will notice what happened with the report. Build. See, there was a particular page for the title and a particular page for the abstract. This will happen by default. Whereas for article there won't be a particular page by default for title and abstract, whereas for the report there will be particular page for both. And next, the same with the book also. With the book also we will be having two we will see about abstract in the book later, because we need to create a environment for that, particularly with every chapter. So that was a little confusion here, so just leave that. Just run for report. And by default it was centered as for the report, but instead of doing this you can also make this as by creating a title environment. Similarly, how you created this abstract environment. Let's see that example also. Just clear this. Just before abstract environment, create an environment for begin title page. Here start an environment for center so that everything will be centered. Now write title. Date. You can give the date. Let's see, sorry, just use double backslash for the next line. Yeah, you can see it was a page was created, and also then by this title page environment and using this center environment, it was centered to the page. You can give date, or you can simply use the command backslash today. That will also give the same date in this format. Instead of using date, you can use this. That will also give the date. And that's it. You have seen how to create title page through the environment or by the command using make title, and you have seen how to create abstract and how it was different in the article and report also. You will notice it. If you want to see again, you will see the article how it behaves. Now it was you have seen in the previous one, when we used make title in article, it was abstract was immediate next to the title, but here we created a title page environment so that it was abstract was in the new page. I think you are clear with this point. The reason for creating the title page environment is to allocate a particular paper to the title. So that's the reason here a complete paper was allotted to this title. And